Madam Speaker, the process of reckoning is far from over. There's still work that must be done. Truth that remain hidden. Perpetrators who remain unpunished. And families who still wait for answers. That is why I rise today to appeal to this august body. Let us reconvene the Quad Committee in the 20th Congress. Let us continue the investigation into the extrajudicial killings that scarred our nation. Let us show the Filipino people that justice does not expire with time, and that this Congress has the courage to finish what it has started. The POGOs, illegal drugs, and extrajudicial killings, or EJKs. Now, for the 20th Congress, while we still need to look deeper into these three and the pending issues that were left unresolved because of the adjournment of Congress, the proposed Quad Committee will adopt a wider mandate and investigate the persistent and systemic problems of criminality and criminal syndicates that have flourished across the years, often with the aid and protection of past and incumbent government officials. Isa pong halimbawa, lumalabas po ang issue tungkol sa missing sabongeros. Ay maituturing natin na EJKs. May mga aligasyon pa na ilang miyembro ng ating kapulisan ay sangkot sa mga insidenteng ito at mga matataas na tao sa lipunan. Kamakailan ay nakademanda na ng murder ang ilang mga business people tungkol dito, Madam Speaker. Hindi na ito bago sa atin. Ito'y kahalintulad ng mga kaso ng EJK na ating inaiimbestigahan noong 19th Congress, kung saan may umaabuso sa kanilang kapangyarihan. Ang tanong ngayon, bakit sila pinapatay? May connection ba ang mga kasong ito sa mga naunang EJKs na ating iniimbestigahan? O nagkaroon na ba tayo ng kultura of killing with impunity? At this juncture, Madam Speaker, I'm holding in my hand a resolution entitled Authorizing the Committees on Human Rights, Public Order and Safety, Dangerous Drugs and Public Accounts to conduct a joint inquiry in aid of legislation to address emerging and unresolved issues brought forth by the joint investigation of the previous Quad Committee during the 19th Congress. Ito pong resolution na ito ay ipapile ko ngayon sa Bills and Index. Sana po, ako po ay nagkikiusap sa lahat na ito po ay suportahan natin upang magpatuloy po ang investigasyong ito.
House Resolution 106, Resolution authorizing the Committees on Human Rights, Public Order and Safety, Dangerous Drugs and Public Accounts to conduct a joint inquiry in aid of legislation to address emerging and unresolved issues brought forth by the joint investigation of the previous Quad Committee during the 19th Congress.
Majority Leader,
Mr. Speaker, I move for the adoption of House Resolution 106.
there's a motion to approve to adopt House Resolution number 106. All those in favor say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. House Resolution number 106 is hereby adopted.